Yes, good morning, all of you. Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. So, last class we discussed about project architecture. So, how the project will be and what is the process of the mini project machine learning. Okay, fine. So, let me try to implement this algorithm first. Linear regression algorithm. Train the model and test the model. First of all, we have to ready the model, right? So, that is the why reason. So, house price prediction. House price prediction. Okay, for this we have to write some code. We need to implement the algorithm, no? Okay, so start with that. Import pandas as PD. Pandas required, na? Import pandas as PD. Then execute. Yeah, that was imported. Then after that, import sklearn. Import sklearn. ARN. Sklearn dot model. So that is the model. Model is model selection. I want to select the model from the sklearn. So model selection. Yes, model selection. Linear model. Yes, that is right. Automatically code is giving a fine. Very good. Model selection. Why this is not acceptable? Okay. Model selection as a model selection. Okay. Model selection. Just import it. Okay. Import sklearn model selection import. Okay. This is not import. This is from sklearn model selection import. Right. That is over. Let's come to next line. Here I want to select the model. Train test. Train at the same time test split. From sklearn.model selection, import train test split. That is okay, fine. And one more thing. From sklearn, from sklearn, from sklearn dot linear model. Linear model, yes, this is the one. Linear model. Then import linear regression. Yeah, import linear regression. This is enough. Linear regression. Right. Linear regression I taken. And one more thing. We have to import pickle here. Okay. Import pickle. What is pickle? I will tell you. Import pickle. PICKLE. Import pickle. Pickle is important, sir. You may ask a question, sir. Why pickle needed? Why pickle needed? Pickle is packing your model. Pickle is packing your model. Packing nothing but it is converting. It is converting into one binary format. It is converting into one binary format. So you can't take this all source code and sending to the web. Na? So what pickle can do? Pickle is basically uh, synchronize, desynchronize. Can I say like that? Synchronize or packing in the normal way. I'm telling that this is packing and converting into the binary format. That is the why reason pickle is needed. Okay, let's try to have some sample data. Let's try to have some sample data. So data is equal to, okay, just data is equal to. I want to take some areas. Okay, area. For area, yeah, this code is giving. Okay, fine. Thank you. Some areas. Then I want to take some number of bedrooms. Yeah, that is also giving. Accept it. And the age of the houses also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me give age of the house. Okay, let me give something like 250 3. Just give the normal thing, na? Age of the house something like 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. And the number of bedrooms, I just want to give something like 3, 4, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 4. Yeah, this is the age of the house. And bathrooms, if you want, okay, let me take the bathrooms also. Bathrooms. Okay, this is also have some data. Let's have some bathrooms. 2 comma 3 comma 2 comma 2 comma 1. This is the bathrooms. And price, we have to train the date. This is the training data, na? So prices also we have to say. Price, price you can give some prices here. Okay, something like 40 lakhs, lakh, 40. Can I say 40? 4 lakhs. Can I say 4 lakhs? 4 lakhs is enough. 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, and 5 lakhs. Okay. This is the data. Okay. Once the data is ready, we have to check with the data frame. DF is equal to PD dot pandas, na? PD dot data frame. Just check with the data frame make ready. Uh, data frame, data frame. This is a data frame, right? So data frame, whatever the data you have, just pass the data. Whatever the data you have, just pass the data. Now execute once. If you execute something is invalid syntax, forgot the comma, where the comma missing. Okay. Execute one more time. I need to say something like uh, pandas is there, na? Yeah, pandas is there. That one is the problem then. Oh my God, somewhere length is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, one more thing I need to add here. Sorry. Okay, execute the DF. Okay, simply I got the information. My data got taken. My data got taken. Now you train the model with X values and Y values. X is something like input. Y is something like production. Okay, prices. Okay. Train the model. Train the model with the data. So X is equal to X is something like input sum. Input data. Okay. DF of the one is area. The one is area. Mm. Second input is second input is bedrooms. Third input is bathrooms. Age also there. Enough take it. Age also there. Yeah, age is also. Now model trained with area, bedroom, and age bathrooms, and model also trained with the output also, price also. Now the model, start model, train the model, train the model with inputs and outputs. Okay, model is equal to, I need to take a regression model, linear regression model. Okay, linear regression, linear regression. So model is equal to linear regression. Model ready. Now model need to fit. Model dot fit. Fit with what? I want to fit with the x comma y. X is the input, y is the output. Okay, model is fitting with the data. Now save the model, sir. This is important. Save the model. Okay. Um, Model is fitting. This is the linear regression model. This is the linear regression model. Now save the model. How to save the model? Just save the model with a pickle. Save model. Mm. Now pickle dot dump. Dump load you already know. Dump load already you know. Okay. So pickle dot We are dumping this. First of all, we are dumping this. Okay. Model dot open with, one second, open, model open with, uh, what is the name you want to give for this? Just provide the model. Okay. Open. I say, can I say like this? Model slash, can I give the name? House price production, house price production, or house price model, whatever you want. House price model dot pkl, comma, wb, web, wb. Okay, that's it. So the model is dumping. Oh, we got some issue. Web be not defined now. WP not defined what? Okay, open model, open. Let's trace this. Accept and run. Input OS. Okay, path. Okay, fine. Okay. So create the directory does not exist. Okay, okay. Directory as it is asking. Model directory we need to create. Okay. In the model directory, this WB. Okay. Pickle file is going to be saving. Okay, I will show where this model got saved with. I will show. Okay. So now uh, let me see where this was saved. Okay. In the model, this is the file. This is the file I got saved with. Already model dumped. Already model dumped. Now I want to take the model. I want to take the model, whatever the dumped model. I need to go to the web. I need to go to the web. So for web, I need to go with the Visual Studio Code. For web, we need to write some HTML, CSS now. So we need to create the project. We need to create the project in the VS Code. That is the why reason I need to pick this house price model, whatever the model created, dumped model created. That I need to take. I need to use in the VS Code. Am I clear? Okay, in the next video, we can go with the web. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. If anybody not subscribed, thanks a lot.